Hi, I'm Alexander Nunez. I'm the president of Digital Consulting based in Miami, Florida. We offer geospatial and manufacturing testing services for infrastructure applications. We use technologies such as drones and AI, GIS, data analytics to get insights to the infrastructure. Basically what we're doing is that we're bringing the site, the job site, into our clients' computers, right? So we work a lot with land surveyors, with associate project managers, with engineering firms that have to manage assets and need to monitor the conditions. So for example, we do a lot of bridge inspections. We do a lot of mapping together with land surveyors to understand, especially areas that have hard access or that are too wide, too large to be surveyed with traditional means.
Good afternoon, my name is Adolfo Perez. I'm one of the organizers of the South Florida Air Expo. I've been competing in the spot landing competition this last decade and helping the organization that is of an event based in Opalaca Airport for the last decade and a half. In Miami-Dade County, we have the aeronautical fair for kids and adults, Fridays and Saturdays, twice a year. I've been organizing the event, helping the organization and participating at the spot landing competition for the last 10 years. I'm a commercial pilot, single and multi-engine instrument rated. Yes, and I am a Falcon 900 second in command.
Hi everyone, my name is I am major in aviation management at Baltimore University. I am currently a senior now at Baltimore University, all the way from the Bahamas. And this is an amazing program. Currently right now, I am in 5419. This is our school plane. And we have an amazing aeronautical science program. It includes aviation management, air traffic control, and flight education. So if you're ever interested, we're right here in South Florida, the only HBCU.
Great, thank you. You are two aviation students at Florida Memorial University. Go ahead and introduce yourselves.
Hello, my name is Anija and I'm doing flight education at Florida Memorial University.
Hi, my name is Brandon Smith and I'm doing flight education at Florida Memorial University here from the Bahamas. I still completed my degree and my pilot's license because eventually I want to become a cargo pilot for FedEx.
Right now I'm studying flight education and I would like to be an American Airlines or Delta pilot. So that's basically what I'm working towards right now.
Hi, so now I'm with Javante. Javante, with a J.
With a G, it's actually
A G,
yeah.
Javante. Okay,
Yeah.
hi. What's up, G?
What's up?
So, and this is another Florida Memorial University. We can claim him as one of ours, Go Lions. Javante, please introduce yourself and tell us where you are in the program and how you got there.
Okay. My name is Javante Frater. I'm a junior at Florida Memorial University studying aeronautical science, flight concentration. I got here through rigorous studying. The program is intense, but hard work and dedication gets you anywhere in life.
Great, great. And how did you, what got you to Florida Memorial University in particular? Why did you choose that particular program out of the other options you had?
So out of all the other options, I did it because one, it was close to family, and one of my mentors had recommended it. And this is kind of something odd to say, but my old high school, their motto and their mascot? Yeah, mascot was a lion. So both of them were lion, and I was like, okay, that's where I want to go. It's close to family. It checked all the boxes. So.
And where do you go? You say in your junior year. So what is the next 2 years entail for you? What type of coursework would you have?
Okay, so in the next 2 years, I'll just be focusing on building more hours to make sure that when the airlines look at my resume and all my certifications and all that, that I'm qualified and prove that I'm qualified to. Yeah.
Okay, great. And finally, is there anyone that you would like to send a shout out to? I know mom and dad, obviously, but who else?
Yeah, mom, dad, grandparents, friends, family, mentor, everyone who has been impactful to me in my life thus so far and throughout my journey. Thank you so much.
So I'm speaking with Javante, and I'm claiming him as part Trini because his mom happens to be Trini and his dad happens to be from Jamaica, from Yard, as they say. So thank you so much, Javante, for spending a few minutes, and safe journeys, bon voyage, as they say, and if there's anything, again, that we can do for you to help you accomplish that journey, please do not hesitate to reach out to us, and we certainly will be looking and rooting for you as well.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, great. Hi. How are you? So once again, I'm just speaking to different people at this wonderful event that we have in here, the SAFEE Expo. And I'm here with a student of my alma mater, Florida Memorial University. Right? Go Lions, as we say. You know, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Good day, everyone. My name is Ricardo Delavo. I'm from the Bahamas, and I recently graduated from Florida Memorial University. I'm a commercial pilot with my instrument rating, and I'm looking to be an airline pilot one day, and eventually own my own aircraft. I got involved in aviation because I'm from the Bahamas. We usually take the flights through the different islands, and every time I go on a plane during the takeoff and the landing, you feel the roar of the engine. You feel like the passion is like, it always interests me, and then I always like science, so being able to like go in the sky, understand how a plane can stay up in the sky, all those things draw to me. I had family who was pilots, family who was aircraft mechanics, and all these things just added up, and eventually I was like, I want to be a pilot. Florida Memorial University in the Bahamas, when we think of aviation, we think about Florida Memorial University like a Bahamas university.
Wow.
On my orientation, they already knew like this, we're gonna have a lot of Beeman students. Most Beemans come here for the aviation program. It always been a good aviation program. We have so much different people who come back and like give into Florida Memorial. So graduating, I just graduated. I'm here to the SAFEE Expo today to try help in any way I can, because from freshman year, we used to have Speaker Series Friday. Every day, every week, we had someone new coming to speak to us, whether it was a pilot, whether it was someone who just knew about the field, someone came and talked to us.
Okay, great. Hi. So I'm here with one of the representatives for the Banyan Pilot Shop. I guess this is a one-stop shop all for anyone in aviation. And could you go ahead and introduce yourself and tell us?
I'm Katie from Banyan Pilot Shop. Making sure everything's working okay. Standing by for solid rocket booster separation. Separation confirmed. Guidance now converging. 8 minutes, 15 seconds after flight. Everything looking good on Discovery. Standing by for main engine cutoff. In just 8.5 minutes, and the engine's burned out.
So we're located at Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport in the facility for Banyan Air Service, which is on the south side of the field. So if you're from Opa-locka, for example, and going up north to Fort Lauderdale, you would want to take 95 north. And then you get off at Commercial and head west. And then you're going to enter into the Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport, which will be to the north at that point. And your first turn in will take you out to Banyan. So we're open from Monday through Saturday, 9 till 5. And that's just about every day of the year. We take a couple days off for the holidays, but otherwise, our website is banyanpilotshop.com, and we also have a YouTube channel, which is at Banyan Pilot Shop, and we have Instagram at Banyan Pilot Shop, and also Facebook at Banyan Pilot Shop.
Great. That Katie is your name.
And Katie, yes.